Hello po, it's Teacher Joy of Teacher Joylin Online Review with 10,000 plus subscribers on YouTube. And ngayon, magbibigay kami sa inyo ng 1 point in professional education. This is good para sa magte-take ng licensure examination for teachers this September. Of course, with the collaboration of NCV reviewers. Ngayon, ito po yung tanong natin. People, a 5-year-old boy, can hold his pen and write his name with his right hand. Which term describes people's action or behavior? Letter A, growth. B, learning. C, maturation. Or letter D, development. Okay, teachers, you can comment your answer down below and tingnan natin kung sino yung mga nakakuha ng tamang sagot. So, anyway, ang question nito ay actual board exam question under Prof. Ed. So, may 1 point na kayo. Alright, so bago natin sagutan ang ating katanungan at bigyan ng justice, ayun, so I would like to recommend these NCV reviewers. Ang nakikita nyo dyan sa taas, yan po yung NCV reviewers natin, of course. And kunin nyo na po, bilhin nyo na po, sugod na sa kanilang mga bookstores. Ito po ay available sa lahat ng national bookstores nationwide, Pandayan Bookstores, and of course, Libruhan. Meron na din po sila sa Shopee. So, soon, magbubukas na din po sila sa 7-Eleven. So, ayun, very convenient na talaga ito para sa inyo. So, bakit po ba bilhin natin or ire-recommend ko tong books na to? Alam niyo naman ako, hindi ako masyadong nagre-recommend ng reviewer. So, NCV lang po ang trusted ko, legit and proven na books para sa mga lot takers. So, kung gusto nyong makakuha ng mataas na ratings, of course, sa Gen Ed at sa Prof Ed, itong NCV reviewers po ang dapat nyong pag-aralan. So, first, TOS based po sila, Table of Specifications. So, hindi lang yung mga questions nila kung saan-saan pinupulot because naka-TOS based sila, they make sure na yung mga questions nila ay alike sa actual board exam. Kagaya nito yung pinapadrills natin. And of course, trusted and legit. And the third, relevant po yung books nila. So, and everything, no? Andyan na po sa NCV reviewers. Of course, yung mga authors ay kilalang kilala natin yan sila. Nakikita natin yan sila dito sa ating Facebook. So, yung CSA books nila, professional and sub-professional, yung authors ay sina Miss Riza Teaching Math with 500k followers with 3.6 million viewers and Ma'am Lenore Marcel. For LEP naman, for licensure exam for professional teachers authored by Teacher Seppi, ayan, so 1.3 million followers at may 1.5 million viewers. So, sobrang trusted, di ba? Tsaka legit. And of course, ang book naman na for LEC or Licensure Exam for Criminologists, authors by our LEC Top 1, Sir John Michael Bundalian Amio, and ang ating national lecturer, no, na si Sir Franco Angelo Reyes. So, tunay na subok, garantisado, at hindi talaga masasayang yung pera nyo. So, sugod na sa National Bookstores, Pandayan Bookshops, Libruhan sa online, and of course, sa Shopee, available yan. Door-to-door na lang kayo, guys. And of course, soonest, available na rin yan sa mga 7-Eleven. Ayan. So, sugod na at bilhin na po habang meron pa silang available stocks. So, let's go back sa ating question. At ang ating tamang sagot, the people have spoken. Ang ating tamang sagot dyan ay maturation. Letter C po. Ayun. So, congratulations sa lahat ng nakatama. So, maturation refers to changes that happen naturally as a result of physical and biological growth, not from practice, teaching, or experience. So, innate po yun na nangyayari sa atin. It happened naturally. Hindi dahil practice natin yon, hindi dahil sa tinuro sa atin yon or by experience, but it happened naturally. So, for example, a boy or Pipo can hold his pen and write his name no at age of 5 comes from the natural development of Pipo's muscles, nerves, and brain. So his body is simply ready for it. So dito sa maturation, tandaan natin no na habang tayo ay lumalaki, tumatanda, iba-iba yung ating maturation. So, depende yan sa ating edad at depende yan, no, kung ano yung mga nagka-come out sa atin naturally, yung mga changes sa ating katawan, sa ating development. So, natural po yan na lumalabas. So, for example, when you at the age of 18, ano ba yung lumalabas sa'yo naturally, no? Kaya mo nang mag-dance, kaya mo nang mag-sing, mga ganon. So, it comes naturally. Hindi dahil sa experience or hindi dahil sa tinuro sa'yo or by practice. So, yun, tandaan nyo lang, comes naturally dun sa maturation natin. Alright, so tingnan natin ang growth, ang learning, and development. When we say growth, ito ay nagre-refer sa increase in size or quantity. Tandaan lang natin dito yung quantity. So, kapag sinabi natin quantity, it's about numbers. Numbers ng ano? Ng height mo, ng weight mo. Siyempre, habang kayo ay tumatanda, is mas tumataas yung height nyo, mas bumibigat yung weight nyo. So, ayun. It's not the ability to perform skills, but growth refers all about quantity. Numbers. Numbers ng height nyo, number ng weight nyo. So, ilan ba yung height nyo ngayon? Ilan ba yung weight nyo ngayon? That is growth. Okay. Of course, learning naman, very self-explanatory. Siyempre, dito ay natututo tayo through practice, through training or experience. Yan yung learning. So, habang tayo ay tumatanda, of course, especially kapag tayo nag-aaral, no, marami tayong learnings na nakukuha through practice, through training, through experience, through studying, of course. And of course, development naman from the word develop, it means this includes growth, maturation, and learning. So, kinumbay na dito yung growth, learning, and maturation. So, ayun, development. Okay. So, para mabilis yung matandaan, ito ha, growth refers to the quantitative ng body parts. For example, the height, the weight, the size. Ayun, quantitative, the numbers. Learning naman, it's all about your lessons, yung nakuha mo, no? From practice, from training, from experience, no? Yun. And of course, development naman, tandaan natin, qualitative. When we say qualitative, the quality or the behavior, no? So, dito papasok yung ating cognitive, affective, and psychomotor. So, yun, development ng isang bata. And of course, yung maturation natin, nangyayari yan naturally. So, yun. So, sana may natutunan at nakuha ninyo yung ating tips or points natin dito sa Prophet. Ayun lang. So, last na ha, bilhin nyo na po yung ating NCV reviewers. Available yan sa Pandayan Bookstores, Libruhan, and of course, sa mga national bookstores, and soon available na rin yan sa 7-Eleven. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat everyone. Thanks for watching. Once again, this is Teacher Joy. God bless everyone!